Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got ready for you a quick floor bar to understand all the muscles involved in a ballet. So anything about turnout, how to use those turnout muscles. So it's going to be nice and slow and perfect. If you're a little bit stuck with your workout, or if you want to know more about the basics of ballet, come and check out Lazy Dance Studio, where I've got everything organized for you and for your ballet and fitness life. If you're ready for this, lie down on the floor or on your mat and let's floor bar. Here we go, let's start. We're gonna sit down. This is perfect for you to learn, especially if you're a beginner in ballet, how to work your turnout muscles and to keep your legs straight when doing all the exercises. I know it's a bit of a challenge for anyone that needs to work standing. So with the absence of gravity, about letting the gravity help, we'll learn how to use all these muscles. So we're gonna start sitting down already. Use your core. Use your core to jump up. Ribs are engaged. Your legs are together. We're gonna start with our first position. It's not relaxed on the floor. Your muscles are working that turnout. So we start, excuse me, that doesn't work. We start in our first position. First of all, just feel that. Feel the inside thighs, feel the bum engaged and everything. Arms into second, you're slightly leaning backwards, slightly, not too much and not sinking. From here, you sustain your legs and the only thing we're gonna do is point, careful at those cashews, and you flex. And you go point, arms together, and flex, and point, and open, and point, and open. Again, a few more. Point, and open. I know it's a very easy exercise, but not really if you're using the correct muscles. And flex, and point, and flex. From here we're gonna go tendu, so imagine to brush the floor, back in, change, floor, back in, brush, back in, and brush, back in, again, brush, hold your core, hold those arms, point, and flex, and point, and flex. Don't forget about the supporting leg. We go to the side, point and flex, other way, point and flex. Off the floor, flex, so come back to base, point and flex, few more, point and flex, and point and flex, point, back to base, and point, back to base. Very good. Relax your legs. We're gonna start again with point and flex only, and point, flex with arms, point and flex, and point and flex. Feel the inside thighs together and flex. Few more. Abs engaged, keep on growing. Don't let gravity take over. Point and flex, and point and flex, and point and flex. Tendus, brush, back in, and brush, back in, and brush, back in, and brush. Few more in the front. Brush and down, and brush. I know the arms are sore, but it's good to know what they're doing. And down to the side, point and flex. Keep your hips where they are. That's the challenge. Point and flex, and point and flex. Say again. Point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, and point, and flex. Very good. Little release. Back to our first position. From here, we're gonna go plie, but we're going to point our feet when we come back up. We use your heel with our heels, and we push to feel those super straight legs again, which is what you should feel in a plie anytime, whatever time, whenever you do it. Let's start. So we're gonna go and turn out, knees go out, and push, and in. Release those hips, and in. Back down. That's your base. Back to base, and in. Push and brush, and in. Push, and in. And push, and in. And push. Now we go in. We push to second. This sei matto. Back to our butterfly, and flex open, and in. Flex open. Scary. In. Flex open, and in. Flex open, and in. Flex open, and in. Back to first, and down. Very good. Little bit of shake. We're gonna try this on our belly. So lie down. We are gonna start. Thank you. We are gonna start with our feet flex. We're gonna do the exact same thing as before with our point and flex. You hold on to your abs, and we're just gonna go point, flex and point. So start already feeling the heels trying to push towards the floor. Point and flex. Again, no cashews, biscuit ballerina style. But your feet are gonna hold a cup of tea on the little pinky. So from there, point and flex, and that's it. Point and flex, and point, and flex, and point, and flex, and point, and flex. A few more. Point, and flex, and point, and flex, and point, and flex, and point, and flex. From there we go tonder the back. Now, I know it's really hard, but try to keep that knee super straight, both knees super straight, and trying to find the mobility of the ankle. So, right behind you, back to flex. Change again. There, back in. And point, back in. And point. Feel the underneath muscle. The top of the glute will work, but don't try to tilt your hips. Again, point and flex right behind you. Point and flex, and point and flex, and point and flex. To the side, we're gonna brush on the floor. So point, back in. Point, back in. Point, feel the turnout. Point, back in. This is really hard because you don't want to roll those ankles. You still want to have them sustained. Again, side, back in, and side, back in, and side. Very good, Watson. In, and side, and in. We're gonna go point and flex again. Point and flex, and point and flex. Keep your abs engaged. Point and flex. Shoulders down, point and flex. Tendu at the back. Tendu, back in. Tendu, back in. Tendu, back in. Keep those knees nice and straight. To the side. Side, back in. Side, back in. Side, back in. Side, back in. Very good. Shake your legs. We're gonna get into those pliés. So remember, first thing now that you can feel is the knees that go out right away. Yeah? So from there, keep them pointed, go. Plié, flex your feet, push down. Plié, flex, push down, back to base in first. Back into plié, flex, and use those rotation muscles. And in, flex, push down to first position. We're gonna go to second. Plié, flex, push to second. Back in, flex, push to second. And in, flex, push to second. Back in, flex, push to first position. First position again. Let's do it. And in, flex, push, squeeze your butt. Squeeze the orange inside, in between the inside thighs. And plié, flex, and push, and push. Plié, plié, flex, push, and push. In, and in, flex, push, 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 push. It's like giving birth. And we go to second. Flex to the side. Again, feel that rotation movement. Back in, flex, push, push, feel the rotation. Back in, flex, push, and feel the rotation. Your heels want to come forwards. And in, flex, push, 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 back in, back to first, and down. Very good. Come back into sitting. Clean the carpet. One foot on top, well, one thigh on top, and you release down because you work that butt super duper. Very good. Stay there and relax down. And breathe. Roll up, change around. Sit bones on the floor and relax down. Ah-ya, ah-ya, ah-ya. It's my arm. Stay there. Breathe. Breathe. And down. Very good. Feet parallel. Just relax down side to side. And well done. Very well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and now you know a little bit more on how to use those ballet turnout muscles. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about ballet and how to make those steps absolutely perfect, come and check out the Lazy Dancer Studio. Otherwise, I'll see you here next Wednesday on YouTube. Ciao, guys!